Welcome to the Mass File Download app by Satrang Technologies. With this app, we can download bulk attachments, files, notes, etc. This is what the app looks like in Lightning. We can use the app in Classic as well. Users can easily download related files, attachments, documents, static resources, My Files and library files, event log files, and notes by using this app. In the Related Files and Attachments tab, we can select the object from which we want to download the files. All custom and standard objects are available here. After that, we have 3 search modes: List Views, Search, and Advanced Search (SOQL). In List View, we can select any list view for the selected object, and all the records in the selected list view will be considered. In Search mode, we can type the name of any particular record we want to select, and it will display all the records related to that keyword, which we can select. This is the Advanced Search SOQL option, where we can directly enter our required query and fetch files and attachments of that query. We can query further by selecting the Filter option from this dropdown. In the SOQL option, we can directly enter the query for files or attachments. Once all the searches are done, a result table is displayed, where we can select the files or attachments that we want to download in one go. We can check the total file size before initiating the download on this button. We can even download the CSV mapping file by clicking on this button, which can be very useful for maintaining the downloaded data. This is how the downloaded CSV file looks like. By clicking on a column header, we can sort the column as well. This is the drop-down for selecting the number of files we want to download in one slot. If we select 10, it will display 10 rows in this table, and we can download all the files and attachments in the slots of 10 by the use of this pagination. Similarly, we can download up to 2,000 files in just one click. You just need to select the records from these checkboxes and click on Download button, and all you selected files or attachments will be downloaded. This is what the downloaded files look like. You can manage the folder structure of the downloaded files from all the options present in the About tab. This is the Documents tab. We can download all the documents throughout the org in one go. Similarly, in the Static Resources tab, we already have a complete list of all the static resources throughout the org, where we can directly download the static resources in bulk. This is My Files and Library Files tab, where we can download files that are neither associated with standard or custom object, nor part of document or static resources. Generally, the files that are attached to a user, asset files, or library files are visible here for download. We have 2 additional tabs for you. First is the Event Log Files tab, which will help you to download all the event logs of your org. You just have to click on Search to see the event logs, and then you can download all of them in bulk. You can also filter the event logs using SOQL option. The second additional tab is Notes. This tab will help you to download the Classic and the Lightning notes from your org. If you want to add any condition, enter the SOQL query here and click on Search, or you can select the specific object. Using the Select Object option, you can select multiple objects, and the notes for the selected object will be displayed in the table, which can be downloaded in bulk. Here, while downloading the Lightning notes, you have the option of downloading CSV as well. This is Mass File Download component. You can add this component on any object record page. And here, all the files of that record will be displayed in a table, which can be downloaded in bulk. This is Related Files component. This is also the record page component. Here, files for the related object will be displayed that can be downloaded in bulk. Now, let's move towards all the additional features that we offer. This is Mass File Download LWC component with 2-level search, where users can search and download files from single parent and multiple child object records. For example, we have added this component to the account record page, so this account record is selected as parent object. In this drop-down field, we can select multiple child objects of the account. All the resulting files from these selected records can be downloaded from this table. This component can also be used for 3-level search, where user needs to select the single child object, and this 3rd-level dropdown appears, where users can select the single or multiple child of child object. This makes the search process easier and more specific, with very little effort. This same component can be used as a standalone component, when it's placed on the Home page or Lightning tab. If you add this component on LWC tab or on Home tab, then you can use this on object level, and if you add it on the record page, then you can use this on the record level. Here, users can select parent object, select records using list view, search or SOQL option, select child or child of child object to search and download the files. This way, all the files from all the records select in parent object, all the files from its selected child records, and all the files from its child of child records can be downloaded in bulk. The downloaded files and attachments look like this. This has the hierarchy folder structure of downloaded files. These are the files from child of child. These are files from child record. And these are files from parent record. Now, this is Mass File Download, Lightning tab. This is also the additional feature that we offer. This can select multiple objects at once from Select Object field. Filter the files using SOQL options and click on Search. Here, you can select up to 5,000 files that can be downloaded in one go from this table. If you select more than 3 objects, then the SOQL filter for a specific object will be removed. You can add SOQL condition for files only. Next add-on feature lets user to download part files. Users can add a list of business units in Mass File Download, Account Engagement tab. Here, users can select those business units and download files from those business units. We also have a button functionality where admin users can create a list view button on the desired object. Select the records against which the users want to upload the files. Click on the Created Download button. It will lead to Mass File Download tab, where the selected records will be pre-populated on the screen, and now the users just needs to download the files. This is the Downloaded Files Trackings tab. In this tab, you can check all downloaded file details, such as download file count, downloaded file size, object, source, etc. These are the post-installation steps on About tab that we need to follow to add the button or Lightning component to any record page. This is the Book a Demo option, from where you can book a demo with our team regarding any queries or customizations for this app according to your date and time preferences. From the support portal, you can see all the configuration or user guides. You can raise a ticket regarding any queries from the support portal and check the status of your ticket. You can experience the complete app from AppExchange, try it, or click on Get It Now button to download and test it in your org in the trial version. Check the reviews of our app. Thank you.